I have three different shape of Rubik cube. But if you notice, yeah, these three different Rubik cube have one thing in common. Yeah, each of them have one part. Yeah, one part that is not in order. Yeah, they are in wrong position. One part. It look just a simple things, but actually, is really hard to fix it, to put it in order, yeah, to make it in order, yeah. I tried for many few days, yeah. I struggled to find out the way how to fix it without really destroying the whole structure, yeah. Because we can fix, but it takes very long time. But how to find a way that really shortest the best way to resolve this issue, yeah. Through trial and error, through perseverance, finally, praise God, I got the wisdom, I found the way to fix it. This is the thing that I want to show you. Yeah? This is like this. So when you have one simple problem, you really need to work hard. Yeah, never give up. Continue to persevere. Continue to try to seek the wisdom, and finally, yeah, God will help you to enlighten you, and you will find a way how to resolve the issue.